If we want the water to circulate well in the pipes and be pleasant to swim in, we must make sure that all the equipment in the spa is properly cleaned, which means descaling the plumbing, sanitizing the water, and removing bacteria. We recommend cleaning the plumbing when you drain the spa water every 3 to 4 months. And many products are available depending on your superstore: Whirl Pro, Whirl, or Swirl Away, only in certain Trevi stores. Before starting, it's critical to remove the headrests to avoid damaging them. Also, remove the cartridges, since some products can produce foam when the filtration cycle is running, and it could get into the cartridges. To prevent foam from getting into the air valves, you also need to close them. If you're using the Whirl or Swirl Away, pour the content in the water as per indicated on the bottle. Depending on the product used and the volume of water, run the filtration cycle from 1 to 4 hours, then drain the water. For the Whirl Pro, sprinkle products 1 and 2 directly on the spa water and let the filtration cycle run for 4 hours straight. Then sprinkle product 3 and leave it for about 15 minutes. It's very important to let the cover open during the whole filtration cycle. Be aware that the spa timer will automatically shut off the pumps after 20 minutes, so you should start them regularly to ensure that the water circulates through the entire system. When the circulation is complete, drain the water. An advantage of the Whirl Pro is that it doesn't foam. After this process, do a good cleaning of the acrylic. You can watch our video tutorial how to keep your spa cover and acrylic in good condition to help you with that. Fill the spa with clean water and heat it. We recommend checking the water parameters in store to ensure a clean water to swim in.